entrance to the Hunter right here, Hunter.
I know we're kind of going fast, but there's a lot of people out here. This is the entrance to La Junta. I'm going to pan over to the other side of the road.